Hello from Flaten, Ekudden, and this nude beach spot in the beautiful nature. And here I am on this spot after a long time, as I have been going around on the other end because I thought here there won't be any sun, but now it is 5:30 and there is sun indeed. And on the other end there is none, but that one has only sun during the mornings and in the beautiful Flaten nature. So yes, and we are only 1.5 hours away from the total eclipse of the sun that will happen today in Stockholm on this 12th of August. It will be between 1901 and 1956. And it's actually not recommended at all to look at it, as you might get permanent eye damage. But I will try to take a photo with my phone without looking at it directly and see how it is, as I can see it from my balcony in the sunset also. So that is amazing. Okay, 21 degrees Celsius in the air it is, and we're gonna see in a bit what is the temperature in the lake Flaten today. I was on the other end of the lake 2 days ago and it was 20 degrees Celsius. So let's check together today's temperature. It is still 20, nothing much has changed. It's gonna be a bit warmer in the coming days, so that sounds fantastic as well. I now realize that I can explore a bit further in, even more beautiful spots. Yeah, it has been a while since I have been here, so it was nice to revisit just this place, even though it is the same lake I was 2 days ago. And I think it's gonna be I'm gonna lower on my sea adventures because it is a bit colder in the water. But on the weekends I will still do it when the day is longer, and especially if it is warm enough. Okay, let's then get going and going for a swim in the lake. I can see clearly see through what there is in the water, and close by here I have spotted lots of crayfish, is it called? But during the autumn. Not sure if they can be visible now. And yes, 20 degrees in the water is very good. And then again, we are still in summer. So, and there is one swan over there, currently alone, without its family. So, oh, there's the family. So I will need to wait until they pass, because the male swan might attack me. So let's enjoy the view of the Swedish Swan Lake. Hopefully you can see them. 3 baby swans as well following in the back. They are headed towards the public beach of Flaten on the other end, where they might get some snacks from the bathing people. Yes, beautiful afternoon, and only 1.5 hours away from the total eclipse of the sun that we will be able to see in the horizon. So I'm not sure if I should be looking right now. Hopefully not as well, but let's then get going with a swim in the lake. Indeed, I think the swans are a bit hesitant, but I'm only here to swim and not to hurt them at all, even though it is their habitat. Okay, so we are then ready for a dip. So ready, set, and go! Woohoo! Amazing indeed. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful indeed. So now, once the swans are away, I'm now ready to enjoy with a further swim in, longer one indeed. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.